Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS Prelims High Yielding Series for Prelims 2020, and the topic for today's video is colored wheat. So this particular variety of colored wheat has been in news for all the right reasons, because it has been proven to be a boon for diabetic patients. Let us have a look at these details. So this particular variety of colored wheat is developed by Mohali's National Agri-Food Biotechnology Institute, or NABI. So this institute has produced 3 colored varieties: purple, black and blue wheat. Now this is the important piece of information that you have to remember. This institute comes under the Union Ministry of Science and Technology. That is the important information. UPSC can say that this particular institute comes under the Ministry of Agriculture. Now that information would be false, so please take note of this fact, and also remember the name of this institute, NABI. So the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, which is basically the food regulator, gave its permission for human consumption of this colored wheat. Why does this wheat get its color? It is because of a pigment called anthocyanin. So normal wheat generally has this at 5 ppm, but in purple wheat it is 8-fold and increases till 40 ppm. So this is the same pigment which gives color to certain fruits like blueberries and jamun, or famously called as kala jamun. So anthocyanin is an antioxidant, so it has very good effects like reducing the occurrence of cardiovascular diseases. It controls diabetes, and it also controls obesity. So colored wheat can give all these requisite quantities of anthocyanin without the fear of high blood sugar, and therefore it is a boon for diabetic patients. Now let us try to understand more information with the help of this question. Consider the following statements. Colored wheat is also biofortified with zinc. Biofortification means using biotechnology to enhance the quality of a particular crop. In this case, biotechnology was indeed used to biofortify this particular wheat variety with zinc. So this statement is right. Now the second statement, colored wheat can give the requisite quantities of anthocyanin without the fear of high blood sugar. We have already seen this. So both the statements are right in this context. Now please pause the video, go through these statements and post your answer in the comment box below. That's it for this video. Thank you.